Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming with two Mexican dip recipe. One is guacamole and other one is salsa. First we are making guacamole. First, I am sharing the tips of choosing avocado for this recipe. When you buying avocado, make sure the stem is still attached because someone else already picked off the stem in the store. It's more likely that the avocado will have brown spot on inside. Use large knife to slice them in half and remove the pit. Now use large spoon to scoop out the flesh into a bowl. Next we'll add a juice of lime and use a fork to mash it all together with the avocados. To our mashed avocados, and that include half of onions. We'll dice up along with 1 raw tomato and jalapeno pepper. When you're using raw tomato, you will have to remove the seeds so our guacamole doesn't become watery. I am using spoon to scrape out the seeds from the tomato. We will give a nice cut to jalapeno pepper so its seed will automatically remove. I am going to crush 2 garlic cloves along with 1 spoon of fresh cilantro, 1 spoon of salt and half spoon of cumin powder. Now give this mixture a nice stir. And our guacamole is ready. You can serve this guacamole dip with corn chips, tortillas or any kind of chips. Now let's see the recipe of salsa. For preparing salsa, you need 6 Roma tomatoes, 2 dry red chilies, red onion, cilantro, salt, jalapeno, lemon and lime, garlic cloves, onion powder and garlic powder. First I am going to fire roast 4 tomatoes and roast all tomatoes till turn into black color. I am also going to roast 2 round slices of red onion, 1 slice of jalapeno and 2 garlic cloves with tomatoes. Roast all ingredients nicely. Now onions, jalapeno and garlic cloves roasted nicely, so I am removing in one bowl, but still need to roast tomatoes. I am going to roast dry red chilies with tomatoes. Now tomatoes and dry red chilies roasted properly, so I am removing in one bowl. Now I am going to transfer all roasted ingredients in one mixing bowl and prepare nice puree. Other side I am going to finely chop onion and transferring in one mixing bowl. Now remove seeds part from jalapeno and finely chop, then transfer in one bowl in which we transferred finely chopped onion. Now I don't want my salsa too much powdery, so I am going to remove middle part from tomatoes, then finely chop and also transfer in same mixing bowl in which I transferred finely chopped onion and finely chopped jalapeno. Now in this finely chopped veggies, I am adding finely chopped cilantro, salt, crushed 2 garlic cloves, also adding garlic powder, onion powder, squeezing half lemon and half lime. Now mix all ingredients properly. Now in this finely chopped veggies, add prepared puree and mix well. Our tangy salsa is ready. I am going to serve with corn chips. So friends, I hope you like this recipe. Please share with your friends and family. I will come very soon with my new recipe. Stay tuned with me. Till then, bye. Thank you for watching.